Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play One Piece Bounty Rush on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play One Piece Bounty Rush on your PC or laptop, you will need to download Steam first, since this is where we can download the game. So if you don't have Steam yet, I have a full tutorial video on how to download it on the description of this video, so just watch it and then come back once you already have your Steam. And now that you already have your Steam, let me now show you how to download the game. So to download One Piece Bounty Rush on your PC or laptop, first, you will need to open your Steam. And here on Steam, you can download many popular games easily. The platform offers a huge game selection, and One Piece Bounty Rush is one of the games they offer. So to download One Piece Bounty Rush here on Steam, you just need to search the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it. And here's the game One Piece Bounty Rush, guys. So to download it, just scroll down a little and then you will now be able to see the play game button right here. So just go and click it. And after that, Steam will then show you the total game size and the location where your game's files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this gear or settings icon right here. But if you are already fine with the location, just click install. And then click the accept button. And after that, your One Piece Bounty Rush will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you can now start playing the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.